Welcome to our guide on creating your Bet365 account. Bet365 is renowned for its extensive features, including live betting, a user-friendly interface, and exciting promotions. Before you start, ensure you are eligible. You must be at least 18 years old and a resident in a jurisdiction that permits online betting. To begin, download the Bet365 app from your device's app store. It's available for both Android and iOS. Once downloaded, open the app and navigate to the sign-up page. It's usually found right on the main screen. Now it's time to fill out the registration form with your personal details. Make sure to double-check your information. Set up a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Your account security is essential. You will need to verify your identity. Be prepared to submit documents like a government-issued ID and proof of address. Don't forget to check out the welcome bonuses and promotions. Bet365 offers enticing deals to kickstart your betting experience. To start betting, make your first deposit. Choose from a variety of payment methods that suit you best. In conclusion, always practice safe betting and manage your account wisely. Enjoy your Bet365 experience responsibly.